guys, Carly J here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find low competition items for profit. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here. Let me get rid of that. Come over here to eBay, and I'll just type in non-stick cookware. Okay. So I'm then going to scroll down and click on sold listings, and we want to, I'm going to actually click on buy it now to get rid of the cheapy ones. Okay, so first thing I want to do is I want to get a general idea of what they're selling for. So we have 59, 64, 53, 100. Keep looking. 89, 64, 64. So I can see this red pan set. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go over to Amazon, and we're going to grab a portion of this title. We're actually going to get rid. Okay, so as you can see here, let's see what we got. 64.99. So what we want to do is we want to, first of all, I'm going to go on the left side. I'm going to click on Prime, and I'm going to look for a similar, may not be the exact same, but a similar 10-piece nonstick cookware set. Okay, so we're going to scroll through here, and the really good thing to do is if you go in several pages in, it's going to have less competition. So let's wait for it. Go to 6. And waiting for it to load. Okay, so based on a price of 64, but I want to go back and show you that they are selling anywhere from, say, $50-something on up to over $100. So for example, let's see, this is ceramic cookware set. So if we went over here, we can see there is a ceramic cookware set. So what we will do is we will actually list this item for an average price of, say, I don't know, say $85 or something to that effect. Because you have to understand is we are not going to be using brand names. We're going to be able to out title everyone. So you can go up here and you can click on new. Okay, so based on what we were talking about earlier, see one for 59, 64. So as you can see, this is red, and it's actually a similar item that we could actually sell. So as you can see here, so if we go down here to the red one, for example, this one actually sold for nine different ones sold. So it's not the same brand, but it is very close in similarity. So the difference between the two, honestly, is this is just a 10-piece nonstick cookware set, where in fact the one we found on Amazon is actually ceramic, so that gives you an additional keyword. So that's how to find lower competition. And a really good note you want to do is you can actually come down here and look at this section, customer who bought this item also bought. So you can actually go through this here and find relative items to list along with it. Just remember, you want to make sure it has a Prime logo and it's over $35 in order to get the free standard shipping. So based on this, let's see, what did we have? This could be listed. You know, you definitely want to research it on eBay, but there's so many items that can be listed. I can't even explain that to you. You know, here's another one here. There's plenty of related items that will be lower in competition that are already selling, because these type of, I mean, understand, all I did was come up here and type in non-stick cookware. I could actually go here. You can see the additional ones here. So if I clicked on non-stick cookware ceramic, again, there's more that you could actually look at on Amazon. So if I went to sold and I clicked on new, again, we have 59, 89, 76, 51. So you want to find an average price so that you can undercut the top price, of course. So we've got 66, we've got, there's all kinds of different colors. Let's see here, what else do we have in here? We actually saw this on a previous video. So there's plenty of stuff to list. That's what I want to explain. So you can actually search a, you know, a generic term, which we started out with non-stick cookware, or we could even search, for example, any of these related. So cookware set stainless steel, okay? So we'll then do the same thing. We'll make sure it's sold, and we'll make sure that they're new. And you can actually go through here and see what the average price is. We have a 64 for 12 piece. So basically, if we took this right here, went over to Amazon to find a similar item. So Cook and Home, that's 50. Very, very close as far as I'm concerned, and that is not eligible for Prime, so that's a no-no. So usually when I am searching, I usually go over here on the left and I'll just click on Prime so that only the Prime come up. So as you can see here, we can actually find something similar. It may not be the exact same, but it's similar. Because based on the pictures you're looking at, whoops, let me get to the original listing, or they've relisted it. So here you can see what's included. And this one actually looks like a new wave, but even so, you can still list things that are similar to these items that have already sold. So again, here's one here for $56.99. So I would basically list that for say $64.98. So there's many things that you can do there. So we can go back and look at some additional ones. Actually, we want to go back on Amazon since we're looking at stainless steel and see if there's any better prices. Because again, what we looked at over here was an average, okay? So the prices are anywhere from, I don't know, 55 on up to 100 and something dollars. So you could still take, let's see, let's find one here. We could take this one here, and that could easily be sold for, you know, $75, $80. So all you're doing is you're searching on eBay for like a generic term, and you're finding similar items that could sell with within that. So another thing you might want to look at is when you are looking for low competition items, you want to go deeper within the search on Amazon. And I have a dog barking. I can go on page 3 and I will have more items that I can choose. So let's see what we got here. Prime. We want to get something that's within the range that we were looking at. So we were looking at stainless steel. So again, what we can do is, instead of searching for a 10 piece, maybe I just took the 10 piece off, or 12 pieces. So if I remove that from Amazon, I can then search that. Again, here we have a 12 piece stainless steel set. And by looking at here, we could easily list it for $64 because we know that this has sold. So it would be easy to sell a similar item, and this item is actually lower in competition. So as you can see, freaking dogs are barking, oh my God. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.